Hello and welcome to this video. Here we will discuss the homeopathic remedy named Staphysagrea. Before we progress with this remedy, please subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon. So let's begin with its common name and family. Source of this remedy is a vegetable kingdom. Synonym is larkspur Delphinium staphysagrea. It belongs to family Ranunculaceae. It was proved by Dr. Hahnemann, and thermally, Staphysagrea is a chili patient. Mother tincture is prepared from the tincture of the seeds. Doctrine of signature. The elegant novel appearance of the tall garden plant Stavesque prompts a comparison with the straightforward, honest, and dignified people who needs this remedy. The sensitive stem of the plant easily breaks in the wind, and here we see a similarity in the sensitive nature of Staphysagrea patient. They too may easily bend under the storms of life and fall ill. Staphysagrea people are very shy, timid, and very sensitive. They do not want to inflict any harm on anyone. They are very polite and attractive, and at the same time expect others to show the same respectful behavior towards them. It is important for them to avoid quarrels and confrontations because on the one hand they are very kind people who simply dislike such situation, and on the other hand they are very scared and losing control over themselves in moments of conflict. Constitution. It is suited to those who are affected by unsuppressed anger, reserved displeasure after being insulted. They become speechless, nervous, and suffers from brain fag, colic, irritability of bladder, and also suited to young married women who suffers from constant urging to urinate after coition or after difficult labor. Ailments from are from anger, suppressed anger or the reserved, injury, falls, clean cut wounds, operations, coitus, masturbation, sexual abuse, sexual craving, emissions, dentition, tobacco, and mercury. Sphere of action. It mainly acts upon the cerebrospinal nervous system and the gastrointestinal system, sexual organs, and skin. Characteristic mind symptoms. Child cries for many things but refuses them when they are offered, like chamomilla, poor memory. Patient dwells on sexual matters and has unsatisfied sexual urge, especially in the widows. Patient is snappish and sensitive mentally and physically. Hypochondriasis. Patient imagines insults, irritable, nervous, excitable, and violent. Great indignation about the things done by others or by himself. Grieves about the consequences. They do not want to start shouting or quarreling or to sink down to the low level of their opponent. Their reaction in quieter, they considered withdraw and apparently consent to the other person's view and suffers his or her attacks in silence. They are indignant but they don't show it. If their anger broke forth, it would destroy the permanent suppression and pushing aside of their harsh anger leads to induration in staphysagria patient. This manifests themselves in the eyes as styes or in the glands or generally as a cancer. The patient often suffers from complaints of the genitourinary tract, skin affection, or from headaches. Their nervous system cannot bear the strong inner tension and reacts by developing tics, paralysis, and stroke. This patient grips on themselves and prevents any reaction to others, attacks for a long time, but at some stage their self respect wins and battle against the bottled up aggression. The patient spontaneously start defending themselves. They forget their good resolution, shout in an argument, and something that is very typical. They starts throwing objects around. Characteristic physical guiding symptoms are sensation, sensation of round ball in the forehead or the sitting firmly there even when shaking the head. It is useful for mechanical injuries from sharp cutting instruments, post surgical operations, and stinging, smarting pains like the cutting of a knife. Nervous weakness, as after much hard work. Styes present on eyelids or upper lids, one after another, leaving hard nodosities in their wake. Toothache occurs during menses in sound as well as decayed tooth and painful to the touch of food or drink, but not from eating or chewing. Worse, drawing cold air into the mouth from cold drinks and after eating. Decayed teeth, teeth turns black, show dark streaks through them, and cannot kept clean, crumble, decay on edges, and scorbutic cataxia, craving for tobacco, hunger even when the stomach is full of food, hanging down sensation, sensation as if abdomen and stomach were hanging down and relaxed. Colic occurs after the lithotomy or the ovariotomy, attending abdominal section, urging to urinate, has to sit at urinal for hours in young married women after coition, after difficult labor, burning in the urethra when not urinating, and bladder urging and pain after urinating in prostatic troubles of old men. It is very useful medicine for the prolapse of bladder. Sensitiveness, painful sensitiveness of sexual organs. Vulva is so sensitive, can scarcely wear a napkin. Spermatoria with sunken features, guilty, abashed look, emission followed by backache, weakness, prostration, and relaxation or atrophy of sexual organs. Cough only in the daytime or only after dinner, worse after eating meat, after vexation or indignation, excited by cleaning the teeth, croupy cough worse in winter, alternating with sciatica in summers, cough is excited by tobacco smoke, backache is worse in night in bed and in the morning before rising, arthritis, nodosities of joints, especially of the fingers, inflammation of phalanges with sweating and suppuration, drowsy, patient is sleepy all the day, awake all the night, body aches all over, fever, ravenous hunger for days before attack. Eczema is yellow acrid moisture oozes from under the crust. New vesicles form after contact with exudation, worse by scratching one place. Later, that itching ceases but it appears as another part. Fig warts, dry pediculated cauliflower like warts after abuse of mercury. Important characteristic particulars are urinary symptoms, a most valuable medicine for affection of urinary organs. There is a frequent urging to urinate with scanty or profuse discharge of watery urine. Patient urinates in a thin stream or drop by drop sensation as if drop of urine is rolling continuously along the urethra, and worse after walking or riding, and better by urinating. Burning in urethra when not urinating, ineffectual urging to urinate in newly married women during the pregnancy. After urination, there is urging as if the bladder was not empty, and cystocele, worse after walking or riding, and better by urinating. Skin affection. In the skin affection, very important medicine for alteration of complaint in the skin affections. Skin symptoms alternating with joint pain. There is biting, itching as if worming, changing place on scratching, eczema with thick scabs, itching violently, dry pedunculated fig warts on upper eyelid. Ulcers and new growths are extremely sensitive to touch, and touch may bring on convulsions. General modalities: aggravation from emotion, charge in, vexation, indignation, quarrels, sexual excess, onanism, touch, cold drinks and laceration, stretching paths, caution after urinating, when not urinating at night, amelioration from warmth, rest, breakfast, and caution. Remedy relationships are complementary to colocynth, compatible to causticum, and it is antidoted by camphora, and it antidotes mercury and thuja. Carcinosin is complementary to Staphysagrina, but the carcinosin situation is caused by being heavily controlled by person on whom one depends, whereas that of Staphysagrina is caused by being insulted by him. The other remedy complementary to Staphysagrina is sulfur. The Staphysagrina state is the one in which the person feels humiliated and insulted. Naturally, this state will arise more easily in one who originally had pride and egotism than in one who did not. We know that the Staphysagrina is often followed by sulfur. In other words, a sulfur state of egotism predisposes to Staphysagrina state of humiliation. Staphysagrina can have many fears: fear of being insulted, fear of being mortified, fear of being killed. He can be afraid even of his own shadow. If you have found value in this video to the homeopathic materia medica, Please don't forget to like, share, and comment this video. Let me know which remedy would you like me to develop next. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel Dynamic Medicos.